You're not ugly, you just haven't unlocked this hacks yet. I'm not here to waste your time. I'm about to break down 3 hidden habits that are secretly making you look worse and guide you through how to fix them fast. Number 1. Sleep smarter. Sleeping on the same side of your face every night is basically a silent saboteur. Over time, constant pressure flattens your skin, creating micro wrinkles and uneven texture that no filter can fix. In other words, you will be like this. It also restricts blood flow in certain areas, which can lead to puffiness, dark circles, and even lymphatic congestion. Basically, your face holding onto fluids like it's hoarding treasure. Think of your face like a delicate painting. Pressing one side against your pillow repeatedly is like folding the canvas in the same spot over and over. Eventually, you'll see the creases. Switching sides isn't just cosmetic. It gives your skin a chance to recover, redistribute fluids, and allow collagen to do its repair work overnight. Quick tip: elevate your head slightly and let gravity help drain excess fluid. This reduces morning puffiness and helps your jawline look sharper without surgery. And don't forget, your skin breathes while you sleep, so a clean, soft pillowcase like silk keeps bacteria and oils from clogging pores and causing breakouts. Number 2. Use hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy might sound fancy, but it's really just using hot and cold water strategically to level up your skin game. Alternating between warm and cold water on your face isn't just refreshing, it actually boosts blood circulation, tightens pores, and reduces puffiness. Warm water opens up your pores so your skin can breathe and get rid of dirt and oil, while cold water closes them back up, locking in freshness and giving your face a natural, lifted look. It's like giving your face a mini workout without breaking a sweat. Plus, hydrotherapy stimulates collagen production over time, which keeps your skin firm and resilient. If you're feeling fancy, you can even finish your routine with a quick splash of ice-cold water. It reduces redness, wakes you up instantly, and gives you that post-spa glow without spending a dime. Sorry, Ashton, for using your recipe. Quick fix. Step 1. Fill one bowl with warm water, comfortable, not scalding, and another with cold water. Ice cold is fine. Step 2. Take a soft washcloth and dip it into the warm water. Wring out the excess and gently press it onto your face for 30 seconds, focusing on areas that are puffy or dull. Step 3. Next, dip the same washcloth into the cold water. Wring it and press it onto your face for another 30 seconds. This tightens pores, reduces puffiness, and boosts circulation. Repeat this alternating warm-cold process 2 to 3 times for maximum effect. Step 4. Pat your face dry with a clean towel, then follow with your moisturizer. Your face will thank you, your skin will glow, and your morning selfies will instantly look next level. 3. Chewing tools. Phalum gum or mastic gum for a stronger jawline. Your jawline is like the frame of a painting. It defines your face, and a weak frame can make even a good picture look off. Enter chewing tools like phalum gum or mastic gum. These aren't just for fresh breath or stress relief. They actually exercise your jaw muscles every time you chew, giving your face a more defined and chiseled look over time. Think of it as a mini gym for your face that you can do anywhere, anytime. Consistent chewing helps strengthen the masseter muscles, the ones that make your jaw pop, which can reduce sagging and give a more sculpted appearance. Over weeks, this simple habit can subtly sharpen your lower face, making your jawline more pronounced and masculine, or just giving you that "I woke up like this" confidence. Quick tip: chew for 10 to 15 minutes on both sides of your mouth evenly a few times a day, but don't overdo it. Your jaw needs a workout, not a marathon. Combine this with good posture and a bit of facial massage, and you're unlocking jawline levels most people only dream of.